All right, you're back.
Hi everyone, we're back with Fractora. So I just want to take a second to show you what the tip looks like for this. It is a 24 pin tip. So there are 24 of these little needles right in here with the coupling prongs. This little silver dot means that the tip is coated. So these are covered with gold. And what this does is it spares the surface of the skin from getting any heat or energy, and it's one of our safety mechanisms to ensure that we reduce any risk of hyperpigmentation. The risk is very low with this treatment, but of course we take ample measures to ensure added safety, whether that's pre-treating with a brightening peel or doing really good skincare after the treatment for brightening. So I've already done a couple pulses. This treatment is safe for all skin types. And so we're using the coated tip here. I'm gonna keep going. We did a couple test pulses. Now with this treatment, you can use it to target a bunch of different skin concerns, whether it is laxity or pore size, fine lines, uneven texture, acne scarring, active acne. All of these are very much improved by Fractora. So this is a treatment that is definitely a go-to. We numb topically for the treatment. Go ahead and take a few deep breaths. It can be a little bit uncomfortable, but the result is always worth it. This is something that we definitely combine frequently with other treatments like we were mentioning before. It could be something like laser genesis or even something stronger like erbium. You doing okay? Mm-hmm. So the downtime for Fractora is pretty minimal. It's typically about 3 days on average. It's not something that I think you need to take off from work for. Some people are just a little red and puffy the next day and the skin gets a little bit of a sandy texture. You might see some tiny little dots on the skin. But between the good skincare and some tinted sunscreen, you're pretty much fine. It's not a lot of downtime at all.
Can you repeat what this is called?
Yeah, so this is Fractora. It's made by InMode, and the InMode Fractora device is a radiofrequency microneedling treatment. So there are other microneedling treatments on the market. What is very important to make note of is that you want to ensure that the treatment that you're undergoing is one that's very suitable for your skin and your skin concerns. And one of the biggest things when it comes to lasers and skin treatments is ensuring that your treatment is safe for your skin type. If you do undergo treatments where the laser is too strong or too aggressive for your skin type, you risk causing more problems. So this treatment is safe for all skin types. A couple more here and we're done with the forehead.
How deep do the needles go, and is the depth adjustable?
Okay, so on this one it's not. The Fractora treatment is not adjustable. Take a few deep breaths, I'll give you a second. They're not adjustable. These are all set, but on the Morpheus 8 device, which is also made by InMode, the needles are adjustable. So with this treatment, they are 3 millimeters, and with Morpheus, they go anywhere from 2 to 4 millimeters. Go ahead and take a few deep breaths. We're gonna turn to the side. His skin is really not responding with a lot of redness. You can see right here, if you look, there's a little bit of swelling and just a little bit of redness, and that's all that we can see. Otherwise, looks really nice. You know, there's really not a lot of downtime or anything too prominent at the moment. Everyone's skin responds a little bit differently. Okay. Are there other questions?
Is this his first series of treatment?
So this is his first treatment with laser genesis and Fractora. Mm-hmm. Typically I say that, you know, patients always want to know how quickly they're going to see a result. And the reason that I do, I'm going to just turn you a tiny little bit. Good. The reason that I like this treatment so much is I feel that with the combination of microneedling and the radiofrequency, you do see a result very quickly. So typically for me, you're looking at a really nice change that other people are noticing in as soon as 3 weeks. The best result is always going to come from doing a package, but knowing that you can have a treatment like this and in 3 weeks be registering a change, I think is so impressive, because, you know, to get non-invasive skin tightening or improvement in scarring, you're looking at a slow and safe progression of treatments. And with this one, the results just set in very quickly, and there's not a lot of downtime, so to me you get a lot of benefit out of this. But it is the first one, so be curious to see how he's looking and feeling in a little bit. I'm gonna give you 2 more and then a nice little break. Good, go ahead and take a break. Not very responsive skin, so we're just gonna work through and keep covering the whole area. So this treatment, the way that it works is it's sending the energy into the deeper layers of the skin, and what you're getting is tightening from the deep parts of the dermis. The other treatment that's similar, that has adjustable needle depth, the Morpheus 8 treatment, that one you can actually target even the fat layer. So you're getting a lot of smoothing of any irregularities. That's why we use it often on the body. With this one, we do as well use it typically on the abdomen or kind of on the knees, elbows, anywhere that you want a little bit of tightening. I'm gonna start up again down here. But you can use the Morpheus treatment, same technology, just slight changes in the delivery system to get some really good deep tightening of the face, neck, and body.
Someone asked if we visit you, can we have treatment the same day?
Absolutely. So, you know, when you schedule with our office, if you tell them that you want same day treatment, we'll come up with your treatment plan, figure out what's going to be best for you and what we think is going to be the most beneficial, and we can always treat same day. So you're doing great. All right, guys, I'm gonna keep on treating here. We'll look at how his skin is looking at the end, but so far you can see kind of little areas of redness and swelling, this mild swelling that occurs around the needle sites. That's very, very normal. It's a great response. Otherwise, nice even redness. I like to go back and check where the color hasn't formed. I have a little line right here and 2 spots here. I'll touch up around the eyes. I always target these separately and kind of go around the area. With this treatment, because it is such a small spot size, I can really target fine areas. So crow's feet, under eyes, for people who have a lot of swelling or bags under the eyes, the heat and the radio frequency actually tightens all of this up. So you're getting benefit, full face, lots of different concerns. Same thing, I like to work around the nasolabials, and the techniques in all these areas vary slightly. So everyone's different, but it's a very customizable treatment. I'm gonna finish up here, but thank you for watching. This is Microneedling with Radio Frequency by InMode. It's called Fractora. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I'll get back to you soon with how he's looking right after treatment. Thanks, everyone. All right.